Imagine looking up at the night sky, and instead of one familiar glowing moon, there are two. Twice the shine, twice the beauty, and probably twice the trouble. But what would really happen if Earth had not one, but two moons? Okay, let's set the stage. Right now, Earth has a single moon, about a quarter of its size, orbiting at around 240,000 miles away. It pulls on our oceans, keeps our tilt steady, and gives us tides that surfers and crabs both depend on. But what if somehow a second moon showed up? Would it just hang out peacefully like a cosmic roommate? Or would things get messy fast? First, let's talk tides. With two moons, Earth's oceans would be in for a wild ride. Our single moon already pulls billions of tons of water around every day. Add a second moon, and tides would sometimes be huge. Imagine super high mega tides crashing against coasts. Other times, the moons might pull in opposite directions, creating weaker, confusing tides. Beach trips would be unpredictable. Fishermen would hate it. And coastal cities? They'd be dealing with more frequent floods. Next problem, orbits. The moons would constantly tug on each other. Depending on their sizes and distances, they could fall into a chaotic dance. Sometimes stable, sometimes not. If they were close enough, they might eventually collide in the sky. Imagine sitting outside, watching a brilliant moonrise, and suddenly the moons smash into each other, spraying glowing debris across the night sky. Romantic date over. But let's say they don't crash. Two moons also mean double the light at night. Camping trips would be brighter, maybe too bright. Forget stargazing. Our sky would look more like a parking lot lit by floodlights. On the flip side, ancient humans would have had two moons to tell stories about. Mythology, calendars, even religions might be totally different. Instead of werewolves howling at the moon, we'd have them arguing, "Wait, which one do I howl at tonight?" Here's where it gets even weirder. Our moon stabilizes Earth's tilt, keeping our seasons predictable. Add a second moon pulling at a different angle, and Earth's tilt could wobble more. That means climate chaos, ice ages and heat waves swapping places like musical chairs. Farmers would struggle. Ecosystems would go haywire, and humanity might have evolved in a completely different way. Who knows? Maybe without stable seasons, civilization wouldn't have developed at all. But the biggest reveal? A second moon might never stay, just a moon for long. Extra gravitational pull could either fling one of them out into space or slowly drag it into Earth. And if it ever did fall, we'd be in trouble. Our current moon is the size of Australia. If something like that hit Earth again, it would be game over. Dinosaurs went extinct from a rock only 6 miles wide. A falling moon would make that look like a firecracker. So what's the takeaway? Having two moons sound magical, more like cooler skies, endless sci-fi vibes. But in reality, it would probably mean unstable tides, wobbly climates, and the risk of a cosmic demolition derby overhead. Maybe one moon is all we can handle. And maybe that's why Earth only ended up with one in the first place. So next time you look up at the night sky, give our lone moon some credit. It's not just pretty, it's keeping our planet calm, our oceans moving, and our seasons stable. And honestly, that's already a lot of work for just one rock. Thanks for watching. If you like this little trip into a two-moon Earth, hit that like button. Drop your wildest moon theories in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe for more fun. What if adventures? Who knows? Next time, we might ask what if Earth lost the moon entirely.